And I thought I will give the benefit of anybody who wants to come live and watch me do it live to do so. But if they come and think, even though this is a wonderful new benefit and it's going to be great for everybody, if somebody shows up thinking they get to ask, 3 questions that they've had about deductions, and then they see that I'm not taking any questions, that person, despite getting something great that I put a lot of effort into, that person's going to come away disappointed. Right. So that's a place where I'm really doing my best work. And yet, if I fail to communicate a boundary or an expectation, somebody could come to this thing that is great, maybe objectively really good, and walk away feeling really disappointed. And so I wanted to record a whole episode about expectation setting because I have come to learn how important it is, how you can do something wonderful and valuable, and people can receive it in a way that's bad simply because you didn't tell them exactly what they were getting.